Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and on this episode of Baking with Ryan, I'm making a Mexico cake. This cake is 2 tiers tall. The first tier is a striped cake, which I colored in the colors of the Mexican flag, and for the second tier I did another really cool technique. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Start off by securing down your first 8-inch chocolate cake with some red buttercream. Then, fill the cake layers with more red buttercream and spread it out with an offset spatula. Repeat the process with the remaining cake layers. Once you get to the third cake layer, remember to place it on upside down. This will ensure that your cake has perfectly sharp edges. Now, pile on white buttercream and spread it out with an offset spatula. Once the buttercream starts hanging over the sides of the cake, spread it out and smooth it out with a bench scraper. Now, refrigerate the first cake tier for 20 minutes. Now, repeat the same steps with your green frosting in 4 6-inch chocolate cakes. Then, take the 8-inch cake out of the fridge and replace it with a 6-inch cake. Next, pipe stripes of green, red, and white buttercream on the 8-inch cake. Now, smooth out the stripes using a bench scraper. I went around 5 or 6 times. After the stripes are completely smooth, place the 6-inch cake right in the middle of the 8-inch cake. Then, start piping red buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a number 30 tip on the right third of the cake. Once the right third of the cake is covered in red frosting, flip it around and do the same thing with the green frosting. Finally, fill in the center third with bursts of white buttercream. All that's left now is to place a Mexican flag in the center. And the cake is finally finished. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so you don't miss out on any new videos.